Hello everybody, happy Valentine's Day! Today I'm going to teach you a lot of beautiful romantic phrases. If you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Are you ready? Let's start. So the first one gonna be Happy Valentine's. Счастливого Валентина. Счастливо means happy. Счастливого Валентина. Счастливого Валентина. Happy Valentine's. The next one you can say с Valentinom. С Valentinom, the easiest one. С Valentinom with Valentines. С Valentinom. And we have the fancy one. I know some of my students like advanced phrases, don't you? So let's do that. С днем влюбленных. С днем влюбленных. So, влюбленный is a person who is into somebody, who has feelings for somebody. If you completely forgot the girl's name, no worries, I'm here for you. I will give you top 5 alternatives that you can use daily. The first one, детка. It's kind of like a sassy way to say baby, детка, детка. The next one you can use малышка, малышка. This is a really cute one. Малышка means baby girl. Малышка, малышка. Солнышко, солнышко. Sunshine, sun, sunshine. Солнышко, sunshine. Солнышко. The beautiful one, isn't it? Принцесса. Принцесса, princess, принцесса, принцесса. Or you can say queen, королева, королева. If you want to say my, yes, my, you're gonna use моя for female, моя, моя. So let's try together. Take a look. Принцесса, моя принцесса, my princess. Моя принцесса. Beautiful, right? The next one. Моя королева. My queen. Моя королева. Amazing. The next. Малышка. Моя малышка. Моя малышка. My baby girl. Моя малышка. Солнышко. You see, when you write it down, the last letter gonna be O. That's why you need to use моё, neutral. Моё солнышко. Моё солнышко. Моё солнышко. And of course, детка, the sassy one, I wouldn't use, just say детка. If you want, of course, you can say моя детка, but just детка sounds awesome. And right now, you can make an extremely beautiful sentence. Check it out. You can say детка, с днем Валентина. Baby, happy Valentines. Моя принцесса, с днем Валентина. My princess, happy Valentines. Моя королева, с днем Валентина. My queen, happy Valentines. Малышка, с днем Валентина. Малышка, с днем Валентина. Baby girl, happy Valentines. Моё солнышко, с днем Валентина. My sunshine, happy Valentines. If you don't know how to express your feelings in Russian, I'm gonna help you right now in that, okay? So let's start. The first one gonna be ты мне нравишься. It means I like you. Ты мне нравишься. Ты мне нравишься. I like you. Ты мне нравишься. If you want to say I like you very much, you would say ты мне очень нравишься. Ты мне очень нравишься. If you would like to say I'm into you, you're gonna say я влюблен. Я влюблен. For boys, of course. Я влюблен. I'm into you. I adore you. Gonna be я обожаю тебя. Я обожаю тебя. The most important one, I love you gonna be я люблю тебя. I love you. Я люблю тебя. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Valentines and see you next time. Love you and see you. Bye bye.